Hi guys, just wanted to show you quickly this tripod quick release plate system from TeckeeTom. It's an Arca Swiss mount adapter. It's compatible with almost everything, of course, and here I've installed it for this GoPro on this small tripod, and you can see how nicely this works. We have on both sides this quick release push button, and you can see the only thing which I'm doing is to squeeze these push buttons here and I can release it. It's so convenient, and you can see also this is really nicely built, very sturdy. And underneath we have this screw here to secure it very tight. We have also this bracket here, so you don't have to use screwdriver. Very convenient. We can release this again, so you can see it's just mounted with this standard 1/4 inch tripod adapter, and it has also this soft rubber feet, very good to protect everything which you have on top here. So you can secure it very fast here. That works really good. One of the best mounts which I have ever seen here. You can also see how nicely this is built in. Very sturdy, really good construction. You can see also underneath here we have 4 times 1/4 inch thread, and one time it's a 3/8 of an inch. So I'm of course here using the standard 1/4 inch, and when we want to put it back we just push these 2 buttons and then push it down. We can really feel that it has a nice hold. Now you can see that it has a really good hold, absolutely nothing to worry, super strong, super tight. And of course if you want to switch your camera between 2 different tripods back and forth with using this set, then you need at least 2 of these sets. And there's also a really nice safety feature here built in, so you can lock it from this side. I hope you can see that. I can push it to this side, and then you can't push it in from this side. While you still can push it from the other side, you can't push it in from this side, so it's totally safe. It's absolutely impossible to remove the top here in this safe condition. So I can highly recommend it, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.